Hello everyone, I'm Rajni Tiwari and this is my book Road Towards World Peace through Walt Whitman and K.K. and Daruwala's poems, and it is even available as in Amazon as well as ebook. And today I'm going to read out a few chapters of this very book, and I hope you will like this book and you will buy this book. Romanticism in K.K. and Daruwala and Walt Whitman's poems. Abstract. Walt Whitman and K.K. and Daruwala wrote about harsh reality of life, and they wrote about what all they saw and what they observed. They shared their experiences. They were against any kind of tyranny or violence. They wanted peace. They wanted universal brotherhood, comradeship, and fraternity. They were minute observer of nature. They wanted to make people aware about the social evils existing in society. They wanted a democratic world. They wanted a world without any boundaries, where there should be no discrimination on the basis of caste, creed, or religion. They wanted to eradicate social evils from society. They dreamed of a world full of love and compassion. Introduction. Walt Whitman and K.K. and Daruwala both were influenced by Romanticism. They wrote about the harsh reality of life. They have written about the true reality of life. They wrote about nature, animals, and struggles of human beings. They have written about the hatred, jealousy, which leads to violence and war. They are against any kind of human injustice. They want peace. They want that there should be love, peace, non-violence. There should be no exploitation and corruption. Death. K.K. and Daruwala talks about death in his poems, and how people are killed due to violence, curfew, and diseases, and while struggling for life, like for job, during migration. K.K. and Daruwala speaks about death as people kill each other due to hatred and jealousy, etc. There are differences on the basis of caste, creed, or religion. Violence. The poet talks about violence due to, as there is hatred, jealousy is the major cause of violence amongst human beings. Jealousy is the major cause of violence amongst human beings, as there is difference on the basis of caste, creed, or religion. As there is difference on the basis of caste, creed, or religion, this is also the major cause of difference. The poet speaks about how the people are taken to the hospital after they kill each other during the time of violence. People, they throw bottles on each other. They burn the buses, and they burn even the shops, homes, etc. During the time of curfew, people have to stay inside their homes. Mother can't move out to buy milk for their children, and patients, they die inside homes as they can't get any medicines. And those who are dead, their dead bodies remain inside homes only, but for how long? The mob doesn't listen to the police till their demands are fulfilled. For that, even the policemen are ordered to shoot at the mob. Thus, many people are killed. Drought. Many people are killed due to drought. As there are no crops on the field, there was no rain. No rain. Therefore, the farmers didn't have any profits, and they had to face loss, and therefore they died because there was no food to eat. Children are not worried about it at all, and they're not bothered about it. People, they suffer due to drought because there is no rain and no food grain is there, no crops are there. So what will they eat? They die due to hunger and diseases. There is no money for food for them to eat. It's dry everywhere. Flood. Due to flood also many people die. The worst victims are animals and women. Children and women, they are taken to shelter homes. Everything is destroyed due to flood, crops and homes, etc. Everything is destroyed due to flood, crops and homes. Everything is destroyed, and farmers face loss, but the children, they play in the flood. even during the flood time, they don't know, what havoc is going to be created. They don't know the consequences of the flood. Farmers are in loss because everything has been destroyed, and there is no income, and whole year's hard work has been destroyed. Government only looks like a mere spectator. They throw the food packets from the helicopter. Some are able to get it, but some are not. Human beings and animals, they are washed away. Everything is washed away in flood. It's a pathetic plight. Animals, many animals are killed by human beings. Many animals, they are killed by by human beings. Animals kill each other because they're dependent upon each other. They kill each other. They're pouncing on each other. They kill each other because nature has made them like that. They're dependent upon each other. But why do human beings kill each other? For no reason. There's no reason to kill each other. Human beings wants to show themselves superior to other animals. That's why they kill other animals. Human beings are cruel by nature, and they feel happy giving pain to the other animals. They enjoy when others are in pain. Birds learn how to kill its prey. Small birds, they hit its prey so many times till it's dead, and then they can have it. They kill the other birds, small birds, and bigger birds, they kill small birds, and then they have it as food. And they kill each other because they are dependent upon each other. One species dependent upon the other, and God has made them like that. But why are human beings so cruel that they kill each other? Human beings, they kill the bird, they take out their eyes just for fun and enjoyment. For fun and enjoyment, they are killing each other. So aren't we worse than animals? Why are we killing other living beings? Even they have their own life to enjoy, to live. So why not give them their rights? Diseases. People have blind faith on Maulvi and on black magic, even in this era of scientific technological development. It's a pathetic plight to see that people believe in miracles. When the lady falls sick and she faints, all are scared, and they ask her husband to take her to Maulvi in the mazar instead to the doctor. People die due to various diseases, but doctor give different names to dangerous diseases. Like for example, to cholera, also doctor take like if there is cholera, doctor take it very easily, and they give some big name to that disease, and they say that it's not possible to cure. Like and they say it's just diarrhea. Many people are admitted in the hospital. Doctors see them with cold eyes. They are not responsible, for those common masses. They're not doing their duties properly. They don't know about their duties, and people, they lie on the floor due to diseases. The floor of the hospital also becomes dirty, whereas doctors are in clean white dresses. Even nurses are in clean white dresses. They don't want to dirty their dresses. They don't want to take responsibility. They don't want to nurse the common masses. So nurses are also cold. They don't want to look after the patients, so they are not sincere towards their duty. Many people die on the way while taking them to the hospital. Sometimes one has to pay for their cremation, as there is no place for getting them cremated, as many people are dying already and the ghats are full of dead bodies. And that is only due to diseases, and these people, they had not been cured or looked after by the doctors and nurses. So what is their duty? What is their responsibility? They should know. That is very important. You need to be empathetic. That is very important. Not only the degree counts. Walt Whitman, he wrote about what he saw, what he observed in nature amongst common masses, what was going on, their struggles in life. He wanted to be with them, he wanted to spend his time along with them, he wanted to talk with them, walk with them. So he wrote about the harsh reality of life. He wrote about people, how they struggled in life. He felt that human beings should not discriminate on the basis of race and color, and that can only help in the development of the country. The country can be developed only when there is no discrimination, when all get together, all work hand in hand, and they're going on the same path. They're helping each other out, they're listening, they're caring, they're kind, they're compassionate with each other. Then only a country progresses, then only a country is developed. He felt animals are better than human beings, and therefore we should learn from them how to be compassionate and how to love. Thank you so much.